Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Learning Never Ends. Hope you all are good and have vaccinated. Today I am discussing about the balancing the chemical reactions, how to balance the chemical reactions and equations. So balancing the chemical reaction means number of elements in the reactant side is equal to the number of elements in the product sides. Reactants and products. This is the chemical reaction. So give an example of the reaction. Then उससे समझेंगे हम कि बैलेंस कैसे करेंगे इन्हें. The first example is Mg plus O2 gives MgO. So it is the reactant side and it is the product side. Here in reactant side the element is magnesium and oxygen. There are one element magnesium and two moles of oxygen. Here in product side one element is Mg and one is O. So reactant side is not equal to the product side. That's why it is not the balanced equation. It is the unbalanced equation. So how can we balance it? Here first of all हम ये brackets लगा देंगे. ब्रैकेट का मीनिंग ब्रैकेट लगाने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, जस्ट समझने के लिए, सो दैट इन ब्रैकेट के अंदर हमें कुछ भी चेंजेस नहीं करना है. सिंपली हम जो भी चेंज करेंगे इनके बाहर करेंगे. सो हेयर मैग्नीशियम इज़ वन, सो मैग्नीशियम इज़ ऑलरेडी बैलेंस्ड. नाउ ऑक्सीजन इज़ 2 एंड ऑक्सीजन इज़ 2. यहाँ इसके बीच में चेंज नहीं कर सकते, क्या करें, यहाँ 2 कर दिया. नाउ मैग्नीशियम इज़ oxygen is 2 and oxygen is 2, but here magnesium is 2, also 2, so 2. Now it is the balanced equation. Here magnesium is 2 and oxygen is 2. Here also product side magnesium is 2 and oxygen is also 2. 2 molecules of oxygen and 2 molecules of magnesium. Now second example, H2 plus Cl2. It is the hydrogen gas and chlorine. So now it produces HCl. Now it has 2 moles of hydrogen and 2 molecules of chlorine. But here only 1 molecule of hydrogen and 1 molecule of chlorine. So we add. It's like this. No changes and 2. Done. तो ये ब्रैकेट्स लगाने की अब रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. नेक्स्ट से हम ब्रैकेट्स नहीं यूज़ करेंगे. नाउ द थर्ड केस इज आयरन रिएक्ट्स विद वाटर टू फॉर्म आयरन ऑक्साइड, दैट इज Fe3O4 प्लस H2. H2 gas is liberated here. Now first of all iron, here iron is only 1, but here iron is 3 molecules of iron in product side, but 1 molecule of iron is in reactant side. So यहाँ 3 लगा देंगे. Now iron is balanced. Now hydrogen is 2 and hydrogen is also 2. Oxygen is 1, oxygen is 4. Then what should I say? 4. यहाँ कोई चेंज नहीं करना है. Then what should I do? 4. Then oxygen is 4, oxygen is 4. But now hydrogen is different. Here hydrogen is only 2 molecules of hydrogen in product side, but in reactant side 4 into 2, 8 molecules of hydrogen. So यहाँ भी 4 लगा देंगे. Now it is balanced. Here 4 molecules of hydrogen, 8 molecules of hydrogen, 8 molecules of hydrogen, 4 molecules of oxygen, 4 molecules of oxygen, 3 molecules of iron, so 3 molecules of iron. Now the next reaction is CO plus H2 gives CH3OH. CO means carbon monoxide plus hydrogen gas gives CH3OH. Now carbon is 1, hydrogen is 3 and 3 plus 1, that is 4. 3 plus 1 4, but here 2, so 2 is there. Then 2 into 2 4. Oxygen is 1, oxygen is 1. This is now it is a balanced equation. अब हम NCERT की बुक से ही स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं. इट इज़ माई NCERT बुक. सो स्टूडेंट्स को मोस्टली NCERT में प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो मैं उसकी 1 बाय 1 सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके दिखाऊंगी जो भी रिएक्शन से रिलेटेड है. सो नाउ द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज द रिएक्शंस क्वेश्चन. राइट द बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन फॉर द फॉलोइंग केमिकल रिएक्शंस. हाइड्रोजन प्लस क्लोरीन गिव्स हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड. तो इसे केमिकल रिएक्शंस में कन्वर्ट करना है. देन इट्स पेज नंबर 6. Then the first part, hydrogen is H2 and chlorine is also Cl2. These are the gases, so H2 and Cl2. हम मोनो गैसेस नहीं होता है, 2 ही होता है गैसेस में. 2 molecules of hydrogen and 2 molecules of chlorine. Hydrogen chloride is HCl. Now it is not a balanced equation because reactant side में molecules of hydrogen and chlorine are 2, but in the product side it is only 1. So 2. Done. 2. No changes in HCl, only previous side. The second one is barium chloride. The formula of barium chloride is BaCl2. Why? Because the valency of barium is 2 and the valency of chlorine is 1. So 1 को requirement नहीं है लिखने की. So BaCl2 plus aluminium sulfate. Aluminium is Al2SO4 whole thrice. Aluminium. The valency of aluminium is 3 and the valency of sulfate is 2. एक बार ऐसे बता देती हूँ मैं शॉर्ट में. Just like aluminum and sulfate. So its valency is 2 and it's 3. So इसको क्रॉस कर देंगे तो क्या आएगा? Al2SO4 whole thrice. Right? So BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 whole thrice gives what? Gives barium sulfate. Barium sulfate is BaSO4 because both have 2 valencies, so कैंसलाइज्ड हो जाएगा. 2 लिखने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है दोनों में. प्लस एल्यूमिनियम क्लोराइड दैट इज AlCl3. वाई? बिकॉज द वैलेंसी ऑफ क्लोरीन इज 1 एंड द वैलेंसी ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम इज 3. सो बट नाउ इट इज़ नॉट द बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन. सो हम बैलेंस करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बैरियम इज बैलेंस्ड. Ba only 1. Chlorine is 2. Chlorine is 3. Then what should I do? यहाँ 3 यूज कर लेते हैं, यहाँ 2. So now chlorine is 3 into 2 6. Chlorine is 2 into 3 6. Done. Now aluminium is 2. Aluminium is 2. Sulfate is 3 here and sulfate is only 1 here. So it's 3. Barium is 2. Done. This is the balanced chemical equation of second part. Now the third part is sodium plus water. Sodium is Na, water is H2O, sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. So Na plus water gives sodium hydroxide, means NaOH plus hydrogen. हाइड्रोजन इज अ गैस, सो इसे H नहीं लिख सकते, H2 लिखेंगे. जो भी हमारी गैसेस होती हैं वो कंबाइंड स्टेट में होती हैं. दैट्स वाई उसे H2, Cl2, CO2 इस टाइप से लिखते हैं, उसे सिंपली नहीं लिख सकते. सो सोडियम इज 1, हाइड्रोजन इज 2 plus 1 that is 3. Here only 2. Now oxygen is 1. So what should I do? यहाँ भी 2 कर देते हैं. Now sodium is 2. Now sodium is 2. Oxygen is यहाँ 2. Then oxygen is also 2. But hydrogen 4. So here 4. So it is a balanced chemical equation. Now the third question. Solutions of barium chloride and sodium sulfate. Barium chloride is BaCl2 and sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4. Why? Because the valency of sodium is 1, so no need to do 1, and SO4 is 2. In water, react to give insoluble barium sulfate and the solution of sodium chloride. Barium sulfate, that is BaSO4 plus sodium chloride, that is NaCl. Now the valency of barium is 2 and the valency of SO4 is 2, so they neutralizes each other. Now it is not the balanced equation, because here chlorine is 2 but here chlorine is only 1, so 2 is there. Now it is the balanced equation. Barium is 1 in reactant side, barium is 2 is also 1 in product side, chlorine is 2, sodium is 2, and sulfate is also 1. Now the second part is sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium hydroxide means NaOH, because both the valencies are 1, so NaOH. Reacts with hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is HCl. To produce sodium chloride solution in water. Sodium chloride means NaCl and water. It is already a balanced equation. Why? Because sodium is 1, chlorine is 1, hydrogen is 2, so hydrogen is also 2, 1 plus 1, 2, oxygen is 1, oxygen is 1. So it is already the balanced equation, balanced chemical reactions. Hope you all know. Now the next thing is this one. Now the third question of page number 15. The third question, third question. What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid, means HCl, is added to iron fillings? Iron fillings is Fe. So what will happen? FeCl2 and H2. So hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Tick. This is the right answer. A is right. Okay. Now what is a balanced chemical equation? The balanced chemical equation is the one in which all the molecules of reactant side is equal to all the molecules of the product side. Done. Now fifth question is, translate the following statements into chemical equations and then balance them. Hydrogen gas combines with nitrogen to form ammonia. So hydrogen is H2 combined with nitrogen. Nitrogen is also a gas, so it's N2 to form ammonia. The formula of ammonia is NH3. Done. Then it is not the balanced equation, so हम balance करेंगे इसे. H2 is 2, then 3. So यहाँ 3, then 3. Now 2. So here hydrogen is 3 into 2 6, 3 into 2 6. Nitrogen is 2, nitrogen is 2. So now it is the balanced equation. Now second part. Hydrogen sulfide gas burns in air. Hydrogen sulfide is H2S. Burns in air. Air means O2. To give water and sulfur dioxide. Water is H2O and sulfur dioxide is SO2. So it is also not the balanced equation. So H2, H2. S is 1, S is 1. Oxygen is not balanced here. 2 and 1, that is 3. Here 2. Then 2 and 2. Then 2 plus 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. Hydrogen is 2. So it's 2. Then it's already 2. Now the third one is barium chloride. Barium chloride, that is BaCl2, reacts with aluminium sulfate, that is Al2SO4 whole thrice, to give aluminium chloride, that is AlCl3, and a precipitate of barium sulfate, that is BaSO4. Now balance the equation. Here barium is 1, barium is 1, barium is 1, chlorine is 2, chlorine is 3. So what should I do? Here 3, the 2, just like an elimination method in maths. So here 3, so it's 3. Now it is already balanced. Done. Now the fourth case is when फोर्थ केस यहाँ लिख रही हूँ मैं, this one. The fourth case is when potassium metal reacts with water to give potassium hydroxide, that is KOH and hydrogen gas. So it is not balanced. K is 1, K is 1, oxygen is 1, oxygen is 1, hydrogen is 2, hydrogen is 2 plus 2, 3. So it should be 2. Then it is 2. Then 2 plus 2, 4. It should be 2. Now it is balanced, right? Now balance the fifth question complete. Now sixth question. Here मैं बुक में ही करके बता देती हूँ. बैलेंस द फॉलोइंग केमिकल इक्वेशंस. HNO3 plus CaOH whole twice gives CaNO3 whole twice plus H2. Here nitrogen is 1, nitrogen is 2. So what should I do? Here 2. Now 2 balanced. Then calcium is 1, calcium is 1. So oxygen is 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Here 3 into 2, 6 plus 1. So it should be 2 here. So it is already balanced. Now hydrogen, 2 plus 2, 4. Here 2 into 2, 4. So it is balanced. Now next one is sodium hydroxide plus H2SO4 gives Na2SO4 plus H2. Now sodium is 1, sodium is 2. So what should I do? 2. Now sulfate is 1, sulfate is SO4 is already 1. Then H2, H is 2 plus 2, 4. Here 2. So it should be 2. Oxygen 2. Then it is balanced now. Next one is NaCl plus AgNO3 gives AgCl plus NaNO3. So Na is 1, Na is 1, NO3 is 1, NO3 is 1, Ag is 1, chlorine is 1. It is already balanced equation. The last one is BaCl2 plus H2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus HCl. Here barium is 1, sulfate is 1, sulfate is 1. H2 and Cl2 is 2, 2 and it is 1. So 2 is here. Now it is also a balanced equation. अब हम करेंगे 7th क्वेश्चन. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide means CaOH whole twice. That is calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide gives calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3 plus water, right? The next one is बैलेंस्ड आप खुद करेंगे, इतनी सारी रिएक्शंस में करा चुकी हूँ. होप आप लोगों को समझ आया होगा. नहीं आया तो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में ज़रूर बताऊँगी, मुझे सजेशन बॉक्स में प्लीज़ बताइएगा. नेक्स्ट वन इज जिंक. जिंक इज Zn प्लस सिल्वर नाइट्रेट, दैट इज AgNO3 gives zinc nitrate, that is ZnNO3 plus silver, that is Ag. It is already balanced here. The third one is aluminium plus copper chloride, that is aluminium plus copper chloride, that is CuCl2 gives aluminium chloride plus copper, AlCl3 plus copper. Now the last one is barium chloride. Barium chloride is BaCl2 and potassium sulfate. Barium chloride, BaCl2, potassium sulfate, that is K2SO4 gives barium sulfate, that is BaSO4 and potassium chloride, that is KCl. Done. Now the 8th question, and the last question is 8th one. Here potassium bromide means KBr. So KBr plus barium iodide, that is BAI, 2 gives potassium iodide, that is Ki, plus barium bromide, that is BaBr, right? Next one is zinc carbonate. Zinc carbonate is ZnCO3 plus zinc oxide, that is ZnO. ये आप बुक में से कर लीजिएगा. जिंक ऑक्साइड, that is ZnO and carbon dioxide. Sorry, it's like this, ZnO plus CO2. Now the third one is hydrogen plus chlorine, that is H2 plus Cl2 gives hydrogen chloride, that is HCl. Now the last one is magnesium plus hydrochloric acid, that is HCl gives magnesium chloride, that is MgCl2 plus hydrogen gas. So hope you, ये आपको खुद से बैलेंस करनी होंगी सब इक्वेशन. कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो मुझे सजेशन बॉक्स में ज़रूर सेंड करना. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. थैंक यू.